The YR05209 ultrasonic cleaner is an efficient and practical solution for deep and safe cleaning of a wide variety of delicate objects. Thanks to its 40 kHz ultrasonic technology, it generates microbubbles that effectively remove accumulated dirt, even in the most difficult-to-reach areas, without damaging surfaces. With a 2-liter capacity and an internal compartment measuring 150 by 135 by 100 millimeters, this device is ideal for jewelry stores, allowing them to restore the shine of rings, bracelets, earrings, and watches with professional results. Its compact design also makes it an excellent option for home use, facilitating the cleaning of glasses, small utensils, and various accessories without the need for harsh chemicals. The YR05209 has a power rating of 70 watts, is compatible with 110 to 120 volts or 220 to 240 volts, and features an adjustable timer from 10 to 600 seconds, adapting to different cleaning needs. Weighing just 2.7 kilograms, it's easy to transport, use, and store. For optimal performance, it's recommended to use specific ultrasonic cleaning solutions and clean the tank after each use. The YR05209 combines precision, practicality, and efficiency, offering a modern solution for achieving flawless results in just minutes. For more information or to request a quote, please contact Calstein Plus.